Students, in this video, it will be very long because in the previous video I have covered up very less options. So I thought this time I will be covering up many options. So please stick to the end of the video. Don't miss any part because these are very important things. So let's start the video. To the summer of love. So students, this will be the continuation of the previous class which we had in the last time. Last time I told you about home tab and the most common features we use under home tab. There are groups, okay, like clipboard, font, paragraph. I just covered up, but I forgot to cover editing group. Okay, so lastly, this is some important things which we do over here, like find and replace. I will be showing it to you with an example. Let me take a paragraph. So here is the paragraph I have written. I have written a paragraph like Mohan is a very good boy. Mohan studies in an international school. Mohan and Karan are very good friends. Mohan lives in Delhi. Mohan has a dog named Milo. Mohan is very good at playing football. Mohan is a good dancer too. But you must be embarrassed about that, sir. You have used the word Mohan so many times. Yes, I have done it intentionally. Why? Because in this particular text I have written Mohan, this particular word Mohan, many times to show one thing, that how to do find and replace in a particular document. Now sometimes when you are creating a story, you are creating a document, suppose it's only one page but you are creating a document of 50 pages, 40 pages. So out there, if you want to find a word, that would be very difficult if you keep on studying all the lines one by one, isn't it? Now there is a quick way to do that. This is the way. By clicking find, this particular option, find and replace dialog box comes out. This is called dialog box. A small kind of thing calls a dialog box. In this dialog box, see, it is written find what. Now I want to change the name of the friend of Mohan. So what is the friend's name? Karan. So I want to find where Karan name is placed. So I have written here Karan and I will click on find next, and see, this particular word has been what? Highlighted. So in your particular document of 40 or 50 pages, in an instant it will take you there. Isn't it good? Now the great one is what? Now Mohan has, the word Mohan has been written so many times. If I want to change the name Mohan, so how many times I have to make the correction? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seven times I have to delete the word Mohan and again write Mohan, some other names. So in one instance, okay, at an instance, how can you do the changing? How? With this replace option. Now replace option will give you the feature to, if you want to change any word out of your document or replace your word in the document, you can do it. How? Now I would like to change the word Mohan. As you remember, find what? It will find Mohan, and what name it will replace? I will replace it with Vishal, Shal. Please have a look, please have a close look. I have written find what? It will find the word Mohan and it will change all the words Mohan to Vishal. Don't you believe me? Just check once. I'll click on replace all and you can see what happened. Now every Mohan has become Vishal. Do you see it? Vishal is a good boy. Vishal studies in international school. Now red wavy lines comes under Vishal. Why? Because Vishal is a Indian originated name and names are not enlisted in any dictionary. I hope you all know that. That is why it is coming in red. Okay. So here goes find and replace option. So today we will go to next tab, that is insert tab. In the insert tab we have many more things to learn. I will start with tables. Now tables is what? Table is a way to represent data in a row and column format, isn't it? And by the intersection of row and column we create cells. So here also you can create a table according to your need, according to whatever the work you want to do. Now here are some predefined tables. See, I want 1 by 1 table or 1 by 2 tables. These are the row numbers, and see, first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, sixth row, and with that if you want more column, first column, second column, third column, fourth column, fifth, sixth, seventh, Like this way it will be created automatically. Do you see it? If you don't want to do it this way, there is another way. Again, click on insert table. Don't go over here if you're not comfortable. Directly click on insert table. Yes, how many columns you require? Suppose I require 5 columns. How many rows you require? I require 10 rows, and click on OK. See, 10 rows with 5 columns in front of you. Okay, this is the way to insert any table. Now in a table you can do many more things. Starting from here, see, the interface will change. How this interface will change? As soon as you click this particular table, the table options, not interface is not going anywhere. See, home tab is there, insert tab is there. Some extra table tools designs are coming. Some things extra coming. Table tools, under table tools, design and layout. These two new things are coming. See, out here it is not there. Design and table. As soon as I'm clicking the particular table, design and layout options or tabs are coming, because these helps us to format or edit the table. Now let's see what other things can be done. First, we can change the style of the table. Anyone. You choose anyone. See, the style has been changed. Okay. I hope you know how to undo. If you by mistakenly did this, you don't want that, just click here, undo. It will come back to its original one. Okay. Now you can see this very small borders. We can see the borders are very small. If you want to increase the border size, that also can be done. Just click on here border and go to last option, border and shading. Again it will pop up one dialog box. From here you want to change the border for all the table, so click here all, change the style. I want it a little bit thicker. I will change the style like that, and I will click on OK, and see, voila, the all borders has been changed. Not only that, what else can be done over here? See, I'll go to now layout option. In the layout option there are many things. Insert a verb. These are rows and columns option. Okay, under rows and columns group you can insert row, you can insert row at the top, at the bottom, and you can insert this columns at the left, at the right. Let's see how it can be done. If I write something, suppose here for a marker, so if I want to insert a verb, so here also I'll write something just like that. For example, I'm clicking, my cursor is over here. Now insert a verb. See, one row has been created. Now I want one row to be created at the bottom, so insert below, and row has been created. In the same way, how many columns are there? 1 2 3 4 5. I want to create one more column. Insert column to the left or right. To the left or right. So let's write here something, anything. Then I'll click on insert right. See, at the right side, column, a new column with all cells has been added. Understood? So this is the way to do it. Now merge, again the merge cell options. There are merge cell options, there are split cell options. Merge cell means these each are called cells. Everywhere these boxes, do you see it? These are called cells. Now if you want to merge the cells, let me change its layout, design layout. It's not soothing for the eye. So I'll change the border. 1 second. I'll change the border to, let's say, this one, and click OK. This is little better. Now if you want to change, if you want to merge cells, you have to first select the cells. I can select these two cells, and I'll go to layout option and click on merge cell. See, both the cells has become one. Not only cell, from here you can select this entire row. From this entire row you have selected, you can merge cells. These are merging the cells. See, two different things. Do you see it? Now I will select these 4 cells and I will click on merge cells. Merge cell. Okay. Now if you want to split cells, now this is a cell you have created. Now again you want to split the cells. How can you do that? You select the cell, click on split cells. Now how would you like it to be? 2 columns with 1 rows. Yes, let's click yes. See, 2 columns with 1 row. So entire cell has been divided into 2 columns and 1 rows. Now if you want to split the table, from where you want to split the table, click there. Suppose I want this to be separated from here, so I will click on this particular cell. जहाँ से मुझे चाहिए वहाँ पे click करना है, and then I'll click on split table. As simple as that. देखा, this entire table has been divided into 2. So here, from here I want to split, just click here, click on split table. See, the entire table has become 3 now. Very interesting, isn't it? So by using table you can create what? You can create many things like calendar, like your timetable, and so many things. From here, this will be the alignments of the text. Now if you write anything, it is coming to the left. It is coming to the left. From here you can change the alignment. This is the right alignment, this is the center alignment, the left alignment. Cell के center में रहेगा, just like that. So these are the things you can do. Now what else can be done? Let me first delete. Now so many things are there in the screen. I want to delete it. Just select here, delete table, select here, delete table. In the same way, if you want to delete a row, select the row, okay, delete here, delete rows. If you want to delete a column, select the column and delete columns. So in the same way, just if you do you see this particular icon is coming all the time whenever I click a table? If you click that particular item, entire table will be selected, and you click on delete table, table will be gone. Now why I made it disappear? To show you another example how from a table we convert it to a text. So let me first write a table. Okay, here I will write 01, and here I will write Sunday, and here 02 I'll write Monday. And see, now I want to insert another row. How can I do that? From the keyboard, if you press the tab button, from the left side of your keyboard there's a tab button at the top of caps lock. If you press it, another row will be created, 03 and Tuesday. Now why I am showing you all this? First let me select it. Again I'll go to layout option. At the last corner in the data tab, do you see convert to text? If you click that option, you can convert this particular table into text with so many options present over here. First is paragraph marks. If you click on paragraph marks, and let's see, it will come as a paragraph, day's number, then day's name, 01 Sunday, just like that. So what else can be done? I am pressing Ctrl Z to undo it. So from tabs, if I choose the tab option, it will take a tab gap. See, it's a tab gap. There's so many from the space bar, it will give a little of space, but if you press tab, it will give you much space. Okay, tab gap, it's called tab gap. So again I'll undo it. I'll check the other options like commas. It will divide it by commas. See, it is divided by commas. Now you can add it like from other, you can add any option like I'll press the dollar sign, it will be separated by dollar sign. See, so there goes the table section. Now in table, what else can be shown to you? These are the important things which you need to do when you're working with tables. Shading and all this, though, you can do by selecting a table. You can change the color and shade of the table. There are so many options. By using it, you will understand it better. Okay, so let's move on to the next table, next group, that is illustration group. Let me delete this table. How to do it? Select it, go to layout, delete option, delete table. Now in the insert tab, let's come back again. Do you see this illustration group? Yes, there are many options. If you want to insert or add any picture to your document, you can do from here. If you want to add any clip arts from your document, you can do it from here. If you want to add any shapes in your document, you can do it here. SmartArt, chart, these all can be done over here. One by one I'll be showing it to you. Now if you want to add any picture in your document, how can you do that? Click on picture tab, and you see there is a dialog box came where I am in the picture cell. In the left side you will see the locations. In my computer I have pictures, not many pictures, I have these pictures only saved over here. So I will double click it, I will choose any of the picture, let's say penguins, and I'll click on insert, and see the particular image has come into my document. I can manage. Do you see these round dots? These dots will be used to manage the picture. You can reduce the size. Okay, you can reduce the size, but from here there are many format options. Again, in the table we had table tools. When you click on a picture, we had picture tools. In the picture tools there are so many things. From here you can change the appearance. See how it is changing its appearance. From here there are many things I can do with it. Okay, there are many things I can do with it, but I'll be showing you the very important things. Now if the picture is here, if I don't want it here, I want it to be this corner, I want it to be there at the middle. If I move it, it is not going anywhere. Do you see it? I'm moving it. I'm pressing and holding the picture and moving it, dragging it. It is not going anywhere. How can you do that? Again, you click once into the picture, go to this format tab under picture tools. Again, there is no format tab. When you click the picture, format tab comes, you click on that format tab, go to the right side corner, go to the right side corner. In the right side corner, in the arrange group, do you see it? Arrange group? Yes, in the arrange group, click on text wrapping. In the text wrapping, what I said in the previous video, the option which is selected, it will already be in orange color. See, this option is selected in line with text. That is why it is not moving. Make it tight. Okay, now you can move it to anywhere. Do you see it? I'm moving it to anywhere. Anywhere I look, I want it here, I want it here, I want it here. So with the other options also, not only tight, behind text, in front of the text, top and bottom, through, you can move it to anywhere. I hope this will be helpful to you. Now it goes, now from here you can manage picture shape. Within a shape the picture will come, like I'll select this particular shape, this love one. See, within this picture it has come. Now I can change the shape again. Now picture borders, these are the borders. I hope you understand what is a border. I can color the border. You see, picture border color is changing. Do you see it? I hope you have seen it. Now picture effects, there are many picture effects. One by one you can try at your home. Okay, now if you don't want in that picture, you want to crop it. Cropping means to remove the unwanted section of the picture. How can we do over here? Just click on that picture. Again, we saw it in the text wrapping section. Now let's move to the size group. In the size group we have a crop option. Click on there. See, from each side the crop button has come. I want these two penguins. I don't want these penguins. What will I do? I will just remove it till there, and see, that particular penguin is gone. I hope you have understood. So I will delete this picture. I'll press the delete button. It will go, because I have to show you many more options. Now if I click on clip art, at the right side of my screen, the clip art gallery will come. From here some predefined or pre-installed images are there. If you just, it's not like Google search, you cannot just write anything and it will pop up. No, there are some predefined files are there. You can choose from there only. If you want to see what are the files or pictures are there, just without writing anything, just click on go. Just click on go. It will show you the pictures, all pictures which is present over here. From here you can choose anything. If I want to choose this, if I want to choose, just click it, it will appear into the screen. Now this one is small, this one is bigger. How can you manage it? Nothing, not to worry. See, this picture is again not going anywhere. If you want to remove unwanted pictures, right click on that picture and click on cut. Right click on the picture, click on cut. It will move. Not move, it has been copied. In the last section only I had shown you cut, copy and paste option. So I'll click it again. I'll go to format, text wrapping. I'll make it behind text or something. So that's why it has gone behind the text. Whatever it is, it has gone behind the text. Now I can move it anywhere. Now I'll increase it and I can make the size as same as like that. Okay. So this, there goes clip art. It's just like formatting the picture. The way you have formatted the picture, in the same way you can format the clip arts also. Now let's move on to the next option, that is called, we have shapes. There are many shapes. We can choose any of the shape, and after clicking this shape, let me choose the smiley option. Alright, nothing came. Now see, do you see the cursor has changed into plus? Because it wants you to draw the shape, the size of the shape. So how can you draw it? Just press the left mouse button and just drag it. See, I'm dragging it. It is getting bigger and bigger and bigger. Okay. Now this is the way to change it. Just click the shape and manage it according to your way. So I want it this way. Now from here again, for drawing tools comes. So you can manage the shape like that. You can change its color. You can do whatever you like. You can fill the shape with many different colors. Okay, then you can change the shape outline. Okay, do you see the effects, they are coming? You can change its position, where it will be, you can manage according to your need. I hope you have understood. In the insert tab again, let's come back, and the most important thing over here, that is SmartArt. People who prepare presentation, most of the times they use SmartArt. So in the SmartArt section, you have to be very careful, and it's very easy. If you understand it at once, it will be very easy for you. So what SmartArt actually used for? Sometimes if you want to represent something like a life cycle, like a hierarchy, like a list, so without writing in a normal way, you can write it in a very attractive and effective way. How? So I will write a list, like list of hardwares. Okay, and if I want to write it in a very different way, what can I do? I will go to insert, I will click on SmartArt. From here there are categories. From these categories I will choose list. From list, see, there are many ways to write a list. Let's choose this one. Okay, and click on OK. So see, it has come. Now here I will write monitor, printer. As my cursor was here, that's why it came in between. Sorry for that. Mouse. So let me just delete these from the background. It will be to see that also has gone. So let me show it again. Insert SmartArt, from the list take this one. Okay, and monitor, printer, mouse. Which one is effective? Obviously this one. It looks bigger and looks beautiful also. What you can do, see, again in the SmartArt we have design and format tabs extra. It is not there. See, it is not there. When you click it, it comes like that. You can change colors. Wow, that is good. Not only change color, you can change the SmartArt style. It looks like that, this, according to your need. However you want it to be, you can manage it like that. See, so many options to play with, isn't it? If you don't like this style, you click the styles and it will change according to that. See, there are many list styles like that, like this, like this. I'm just hovering my mouse over there and it is changing. See, I'm just hovering my mouse, I'm not clicking it. That moment I will click it, it will become like that. See, I clicked it and it has become like that. Previously it was like this, and then it is like that. Okay, so you can do these in a SmartArt. Like a life cycle of a butterfly. Now delete it. Now go to insert, go to SmartArt. I need cycle, so I will choose this one. So in a life cycle, what is the basic stage? Like larva, then pupa, then caterpillar, and then butterfly, na cocoon, and then butterfly, isn't it? I don't know, it may be wrong, but I'm just showing you how it is done. So you can change color. Okay, you can change format, you can change color, you want it the way you like. You can increase the size, like same way. See, I'm increasing the size. Okay, I'm decreasing the size, like the same way. So there are many things which can be done over here. All the options are same. Shape fill, shape outline, these are the things you can do. This is the entire shape. Okay, the shape outline will be this shapes outline. Okay, so these are the options you can do, or you can insert into your document to make it more effective. So today this much only, because there are a lot of options to be discussed. So I will not be discussing everything in over a particular video. I will be dividing it to a many videos, so it will be helpful for you also. I hope you have liked this video, you have enjoyed this video throughout the end. So whatever your experience, please mention it into the comment section. Like this video and share it. If you're new to this channel, subscribe the channel and activate the bell icon. Let's meet in the next video.